even if you come from another racket sport. If you're new to pickleball, chances are you're having a hard time keeping the ball in the court occasionally. Well, and especially if you're under stress, meaning that your opponent is making you move. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite tips to help you to become more accurate and lose fewer rallies. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, my name is CJ Johnson. Welcome to Better Pickleball, where we're focused on helping pickleball players over 50 live their best lives on and off the pickleball courts. One of the topics that our 2021 Pickleball Summit presenters weaved through many of the talks was optimal court position. Even if you're a highly skilled player and you're not in the right position on the pickleball courts, you make it more difficult on yourself. You're going to have a harder time returning a shot and possibly going to make more mistakes. As someone who's new to the game, chances are you're still working on your technique. And frankly, there is no substitute for repetition. You're going to have to do it again and again and again to get consistent with it. Now, in the meantime, court position is something that you can change today. So how is court position going to help you to make less errors and to lose fewer rallies? Let's jump into it. If you're in the right place for a shot and you give yourself more time to react and decrease the amount of movement you need to get to the ball, more time, less movement translates to fewer errors. Let's focus on how this applies to the most important shot in pickleball, the return of serve. Yes, you heard me right. And you might be thinking, hey CJ, I am new to pickleball, but that's not what I've heard. I've heard all this talk about the third shot. I'm not saying that the third shot isn't important, but answer this. How many third shots can you miss and still win a game? Infinite. Whenever you miss a third shot, all that happens is you lose the serve, either to your partner or to your opponents. Now, how many returns can you miss and still win a game? If you miss 11 returns, you lose. So what's the right position for the return of serve? Behind the baseline with an opportunity to react to the shot and move forward to hit it. You can't hit the return of serve out of the air. So if you're standing too close to the baseline, you've given yourself less time to react between the bounce of the ball and hitting the return. Additionally, if you're positioned too close to the baseline for the serve, you'll find yourself moving backwards during the return. Trying to hit a pickleball shot with your body weight moving backwards is more difficult than when you transfer your weight forward. Start the game by giving yourself some space behind the baseline, perhaps 1 to 2 feet. If your opponents hit it deep, you're ready for it. If they start to hit short serves, then move a little closer to the baseline. Analyze and make adjustments. That's part of becoming a better player. If you're new to pickleball, check out this beginner's playlist, as well as a free resource that contains excerpts from Tony's book, Play Pickleball, A Beginner's Guide. Because you know what I always say, together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.